Good morning, everyone. I wanted to go ahead and read another math book to you. This one is called The Great Divide. I cannot remember what AR level this is, but you should be able to look that up, and I do believe there's an AR test for reading on there as well, okay? And it's called The Great Divide, a Mathematical Marathon. Bang goes the gun. The race is on. A cloud of dust. They're here. They're gone. Pushing and pedaling side by side, 80 begin the Great Divide. Just up ahead, just beyond sight, one path leads left, one path leads right. Split by a canyon so deep and so wide, the riders must part at the Great Divide. Half take a tumble. So we're talking about half of 80, which is 40. Their tires go pop. Half carry on, never to stop. Help, 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 help. On with the race. Head for a boat. 40 racers now have to float. What's up ahead? A loud roaring sound. Whooshing whirlpools spin all around. Half are swept up in a dizzying whirl. Half battle on through foam and swirl. So half of 40, what do you think, boys or girls? Half of 4 is 2. So half of 40 is 20. Out of the river onto dry land, 20 racers take to the sand. One path turns east, one path turns west, split by a mountain. Which choice is best? Half stampede west to a muddy disgrace. Half gallop east at a thunderous pace. In hot air balloons, so half of 2 would be 1, so half of 20 is 10. In hot air balloons floating up high, 10 racers now sail through the sky. Half blow north right into a storm, half breeze south, safe and warm. What do you think half of 10 is? Half of 10 is 5. 5 press on, pushing danger aside, determined to win the Great Divide. Into the city, down the main street, they're racing on foot, they're in a dead heat. One runner stops with a rock in her shoe. 4 are left now. Wait a minute. You might be thinking, well, 4 is not half of 5, and you're correct. They didn't tell us that half split away. They said that there were 5 racers, but then one had to stop because she had a rock in her shoe. So we're not splitting 5 into half anymore. We're taking 1 away from 5, which is 4. So 4 are now left, split 2 and 2, pedaling bicycles, 1 to each pair. They zoom on ahead as fast as they dare. So fast, in fact, that they can't find the brake. With a crash and a splash, they all fall in a lake. The finish line. A hush fills the crowd. They look far, they look near, and there are no racers left. Have they no one to cheer? Are there 0 left over? Are there zilch? Are there none? Not one, not any. Is the race done? Wait! Up in the sky, what could it be? Roaring, soaring, who do they see? With a wave of her hand, with a dip and a glide, one crosses. She wins the Great Divide. And it was the lady who had stopped with the rock in her shoe. All right, boys and girls, that's the end of this story, and it's called The Great Divide, a Mathematical Marathon. And the author's name is Dale Ann Dodds, illustrated by Tracy Mitchell. Go on AR and get credit for an AR test. Listen to it again if you need to. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.